So this package has just arrived from Techni-Tool. They have a tool inside here that they want me to try out. I mean, I could just do a regular unboxing video. Hi there, my name's Tory Belleci, and the good people over Techni-Tool have asked me to do an unboxing of one of their tools. No. It's gotta be something cooler than that. Something spectacular. Absolutely not. How about? That's my unboxing video. I want to thank Techni-Tool for sponsoring this video and for sending over the Metcal GT120 soldering system. It's a great soldering iron, and I actually used it when I built this box and rotating platform.